Hi, guys, and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Scorpio. So, please see your placements for your Sun, Moon, Rising, and your Saturn. And let's get into our reading for Scorpio for the month of August. The first card that I have for you, my lovely Scorpions, is the Two of Wands. Some kind of choices are awaiting you in the month of August. You really have to decide to take action. For many of you, it might be related to your personal life. That's the feeling I'm getting, but you have to make a decision so you can move forward, you can grow in your life. The next card that I have for you is the Oak King, which is the Hangman. So you're not learning, my lovely Scorpios. Despite having a decision to make, you guys are just not understanding that you have to look at the situation from a different perspective altogether. You are unable to decide. You're trying to leave it on fate. You're trying to, let things go from your hand, or you are just trying to hold on to them a little too tightly. The advice right here is to just let it be. Make a decision and move on. If you need more information and you're unsure whether the decision that you are making is right or wrong, let's wait for a little bit. Let's see towards the end of the reading if we have any information. See, you're being cheated, you're being manipulated into doing something that you really want to do. And when it comes to your career, I do feel like you are at a standpoint where you're unsure whether you should start a new job, whether you should do your own business, or whether you should work with your friend that's been asking you to work, or something along those lines. And even if you are working, I do feel you're not very satisfied with the amount of work you're doing or the kind of work that you're doing, because it's not giving you self satisfaction. And the Seven of Athens is telling me that the situation is not fair to you. Things are not working out the way you want. The next card is Two of Pentacles, and you are just trying. Your hands are all over the place. You just want something to work. Like, you're praying to God, like, make something work. Like, I cannot balance whatever is happening, and it does seem like you have a lot on your plate. You're unable to balance all the things that are happening. You might be doing multiple jobs, and you're not sure, which job you should go with, or you're looking for new jobs, but you don't know which field you should go in or what you should do. The next card that I have for you is the Ten of Pentacles. So, what these two cards are telling me is that you're managing now, you're hustling really, really hard. You're trying to figure out whatever it is in your life that should work so it could give you a more secure future. For many of you, out of the options that you are evaluating, you do feel like one of the options that you have is going to give you a better future. It's going to give you it's going to give you more stability. And I do see a new opportunity coming in for you, but then again, you have to understand that the energy of aces represents new beginnings. But these are the chances that you have to take. So you have to be aware that yes, there is a new beginning, and this is what I want to do. Um, in terms of the decision you have to take, I do feel within the next 10 to 11 days from when you see this reading, it would be wise, it would be suggested by me that you make a decision. Otherwise, you're just going to prolong the entire thing. And as you can see, there's an infinity sign, which means it's not going to change unless you make a decision, you make a choice. So it's a choice that you have to make. The next card that I have for you is the Ten of Wands. So not only are you going to start something new, but there's also going to be a lot of work involved in it. And you are going to be doing a lot of this work alone initially. I said initially, it doesn't mean that you will always be doing all the work alone, but for the initial couple of months, couple of days, you have to be alone and you have to just hang in there by the thread. And then that's when you're going to have a lot of success, because with the Six of Wands card, a lot of that's the card of success. That's a card of people recognizing you, people looking at you, and people realizing that you have the charisma, you have the energy, and you have what it takes to be the leader. At the bottom of the deck, I'm getting the crone number 8. Again, Saturn energy. Patience is something that is going to be tested now, and for the next coming months. The next 7 to 8 months seem pretty hard, so I'm going to be honest. 7 to 8 months, you really have to put in all the effort from your end to move on. otherwise, like to move on in your life or to make something out of your career. But definitely, guys, take a decision, because there's not only one card of choice, but there are list two of wands, two of pentacles. If you want to move, if you want to change the country, well, it's you who has to take the initiative. It's you who has to decide whether that's a good step for you or not. Nobody else is going to do it for you. So, put your focus in, put your energy in, and then decide. The first card that I have for you is confidence is the key to success. So stop over analyzing yourself, stop underestimating your potential. You actually have the confidence. If you start applying for the roles that you really want to work for, there is a very good chance that you will end up getting that role. Also, with the Leo energy, fifth house and the matters of the fifth house get activated. So there's a focus on creativity. There's going to be a lot more focus on your kids. So there could be expenses related to kids, or you're finally going to realize that you want kids in your life and you kind of have to work for them. So for your future kids, that is. The next card that I have for you is a time to give rather than take, new moon in Virgo. So told you, like, it's a card of service. It's a card of making yourself a priority, taking care of your own health. So it's also a card of choosing jobs, because sixth house by default talks about your career, it talks about your profession, it talks about the services that you provide. For many of you, your health issues will be all right. You won't have to worry about your health issues anymore. For others of you, if you have been slacking on your workout, I do feel the month of August is going to bring you the needed energy to continue and to build upon your body. Start doing yoga, start doing meditation. So all those things are important for you. Do let me know if this reading resonates, and don't forget to check out other readings.